Yeah, hi. We are from svsembedded. IoT based home automation with Blynk app using Raspberry Pi Pico and Node MCU. Node MCU. So we are connected with the Node MCU with the Blynk app, and whenever we are pressing, the data should be sent to Raspberry Pi Pico. The Raspberry Pi Pico will control the relay 1, relay 2, relay 3, relay 4, bulb 1, bulb 2, bulb 3, bulb 4, and 5 volts power supply for two components. So here we are using the hardware 230 input step down transformer, 9 volts output AC, bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator and one LED. Raspberry Pi Pico module we are using, and here the relays are connected with 18, 19, 20, 21. 18, 19, 20, 21 GPIO pin of Raspberry Pi Pico, and here node MCU, it is sending the data with a TX and RX VCC ground, and it is connected to the Raspberry Pi Pico. Bulb 1, bulb 2, bulb 3, bulb 4. So here we are using 5 volts relay coil SPDT relay, single pole double through relay. Purpose of the relay is to switch on and switch off the AC bulbs. So here we are using the home automation with Blynk app. Blynk app notification. This is a power supply board, Raspberry Pi Pico, Node MCU, and Blynk app notification. Now I am going to switch on the power supply. Okay. Now new device is connected. Bulb 1 on. Bulb 1 on. Bulb 2 on. Bulb 4 on. Bulb 1, bulb 2, bulb 3, bulb 4. Home automation using Blynk app notification. Okay. So 230, these are all 230 with 18 watt, 15 watt bulbs we are using. This is our block diagram, and this is our hardware kit. Bulb 1, bulb 1, bulb 2, bulb 3, bulb 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.